This week we start off the show with Art Schade going after bull elk. On the first day he has a group of cow elk coming out of the trees. This is a large herd of elk, but there's no bulls in the group. That evening, Art has a small 5x4 bull elk come out, but it's a little too small, so he decides to hold off. This bull hangs around for quite a while, and Brad can spot some more elk up in the thick brush, so they decide to stay here for the rest of the evening. Right before dark, they have a couple of cows step out, but no more bulls. The next morning, they have a bull step out right in front of them.
He's behind that bush. Got him. Art, got you one. Nice job.
Oh yeah. Hey. Wow.
Look at that, baby. Turn his head for me. Oh yeah. Nice, Art. Right here at the Elk Ranch.
For more information about coming out to Colorado for a bull elk hunt, give us a call or visit theelkranch.com.